Hi, good day to you and welcome again to one of my videos. Today I wanted to talk about the Lalela R1818 Wi-Fi UPS. Kind of a mini UPS. I bought two and let's see how it's going to work. Most importantly, these are more for your routers and ONTs, and well, they are saying that if you connect one device, it's 8 hours, and of course the more devices you put in, the less runtime you will have. Yeah, so this is basically what it's all about. It's got a battery, 13,000 milliamps, lithium ion. Most important, it's got output voltages, 5, 9 and 12. And yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Right, so let's have a look. Okay, well, first of all, you get the UPS itself. Power. Manual. Guarantee. And then you have obviously the different adapters for your DC inputs. You got DC cable, another one, and then here's the splitter cable. Now, obviously the splitter cable will be for your, if you have two devices. So that is basically what you will see in the box. Is your power cable, the DC adapters, and then your actual cables that's going to be feeding the, like in this case will be the ONT, your router, and of course your splitter cable.